This is literally the coolest crypto passive income project that I have seen in the past couple of years, and I guarantee you have never even heard of it. Come on Holger, drop the name. Watch this video to find out more. Welcome back everybody. Markets are continuing to bleed, so that's why you need a passive income. And oh, what a coincidence, that's exactly what I'm here to talk about. No, but for real, I wanted to hop on here and make a video real quick because I think I just found the coolest project ever. Like, this is the coolest project I have ever seen. I'm real excited to show you guys. I was going to make this video later on in the week, but I was like, nope, need to get this out ASAP. It has a really stupid name, but I don't give a F because this is probably the coolest thing I have seen in the past 2 years or so. Like, this is actually genius. Okay, so before I show you this project, you already know, like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out my Telegram group. If you got any questions, that's the best place to hit me up. And leave me a comment. I wanna know if you have ever heard of this project before. I for sure haven't heard of this project before. I got to know about it a few days ago and I was like, dude, I gotta get in. Okay, let's jump right into the video. So, here we are. NG Trading Bot. NG stands for Nike Gold, which is a stupid name, you know. They are literally asking for a trademark violation or something. In my opinion, they really need to change the name, but who cares about the name when you can make 0.7 to 2.4% daily. And yeah, this is a trading bot on Telegram. It's probably the easiest trading bot to set up for me. It took literally like 30 seconds. All you need to do is just click the link in the description and deposit your crypto, and it takes like 2 seconds. It's crazy. So, as you can see, I set up my account yesterday on September 27th, and yeah, this is literally the setup process. Click start, please select your language, English, and you're ready to go. You can find all of the relevant information that you need to know about the trading bot here from their dashboard, such as about us, frequently asked questions. If you need to contact support, you can click on help, so on and so forth. So yeah, this trading bot is 100% on Telegram. No need to visit any website or sign up for any website or anything like that. Everything is on Telegram. Let's get this crypto. So yeah, if we have a look right here at our balance, you can see that I have 2.1 LTC in my balance. I just got done depositing this LTC and it literally took like 30 seconds. It's amazingly fast. And it's the same thing with withdrawals, so there is no withdrawal limit. You can withdraw as little as you want. If you just want to withdraw $1, you could do so, and it's instantaneous. Like, there's no processing time or anything like that. You just send it to your wallet and it appears there in like 3 seconds. It's amazing, dude. And if we scroll down here, you can see base rate is 0.714 per day. So this is what I'm earning per day. And yeah, this is literally why I like this project so much, because they got rid of all of the fluff. You just deposit your crypto and start earning. No extra bullshit like most trading bot projects hold your money for a lockup period. Well, except for OPT2. They don't have a lockup period. Shout out to Optimus. But yeah, like every other trading bot project have a lockup period. Stable fund has 28 days and some don't give your initial investment back. So yeah, with NG you can withdraw as little or as much as you want at any time. No minimum withdrawal, and it literally takes like 2 seconds. And if we have a look here at deposit, you should be able to see which currencies are available. So if you got BTC, Ethereum, Litecoin, Doge, Tron, Dash, you can deposit all of these. And let's say I have some LTC, I just simply click on this. and it gives me all of the information that I need to know. So the minimum deposit is 1.61 LTC, what is that, like 80 bucks or something, and the maximum is 1,299 LTC for the silver plan. This will earn us a daily reward of 0.71%. So the gold plan is from 1300 LTC up to 12,599, 1.5% daily, and so on and so forth. And here is the wallet address that you will deposit LTC to. Okay, so now let's say we want to withdraw some money, we want to take some profit, some nice profits. Well, all we need to do then is just click withdraw. Please select your currency. I'm gonna put LTC. Your withdrawal address is not yet set. Please input a new address for withdrawal. So let's put in my LTC address. Withdrawal address setup successful. So let's click LTC again. Your payout address is the command /out total use, for example, /out 1.5, and the command out 0 used to change deposit address. So it's really that simple, you know. I'm blown away how smooth this process is. Me, I like it a lot. Yeah, I'm really blown away by this project. I love that it's on Telegram. I always have Telegram open on my PC, and I also use Telegram every day on my phone. So this way I have it on my phone 24/7, you know. I don't use MetaMask on my phone because I know so many people that have gotten hacked, and you know, as a so-called influencer, you need to be extremely careful with what links you click and what programs you download and what contracts you sign, you know, because yeah, we're swimming with the sharks, or how to say. You know, NG lets me have access to my funds on my phone 24/7, and I can also earn on them. So if you got some extra Litecoin or Doge or Tron or Ethereum, whatever, hey, you could test it out, throw it into NG and let it earn some yield for you. Let's get this crypto. Yeah, doesn't get any simpler than that. And yeah, I will probably start some kind of a bot series on my YouTube channel, going over all of the profits that I made from all of these bot projects that I'm in, and NG will definitely be a big part of my bot portfolio moving into the future, and I will start to put a lot more funds into NG trading bot. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Check out NG trading bot, link is in the description and in the comment section down below. And like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research and never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Only about 20% of you guys are subscribed. You're watching my videos, but you're not even subscribed. I don't get it, man. I don't get it. And while you're at it, like the video and leave me a comment. Are you going into the NG trading bot? And if you got any more questions about NG, you can hit me up in my Telegram group. Link is in the description and in the comment section down below. I will be happy to help you and get you set up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Most importantly though, let's get this crypto. Ciao.